Assalamu alaikum everyone. So the topic which we are going to study is rounding off today because we are learning the chapter number 13, approximation and estimation. Approximation and estimation, when the name comes approximation and estimation, the topic, the name rounding off comes first in our mind. What we do in rounding off, what we do in rounding off, we will change the number to the nearest tens, nearest hundred and nearest thousand for approximation, right? So here I have 5 rules of rounding off to keep in mind. For understanding, I have written one example over here to clarify these 5 rules of rounding off. So the first rule, we have find the, okay, one more thing, rounding rules nearest tens. As we know, the place value system we have in national place value system I am talking about right now, that is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and then crore. We have an international place value system too, but right now I am talking about the national place value system, that is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore, right? The example I have right here, that is 1358. I am writing the place values over here, ones, tens, hundred and then thousand. Right now we have to round off this number to the nearest tens. Means what is the place value we have to round off this number? Means nearest tens. So ones, tens. This is two. This is clear, right? Now what is the rule number 1? Find the place value and circle the digit. It means where you have to round off the number. We have to round off the number to the nearest tens. Then we have to circle that digit which is on the place tens, right? So 10, at the place of tens I have the digit 5 here, so I circle the digit 5. First rule is that first you have to find the place where you have to round off the digit, and then when you find that digit, then circle that digit, right? We have done with that. Now rule number 2, move to the right of the circle digit number, circled number and underline that digit. Now again the same number 1358, the circle digit. Now in rule number 2, what we have to do, we have to move on the right of the underlined digit, the right on the underlined digit, at the right on the circle digit, sorry, we have to move on the right of the circle digit and we have to underline that digit, right? This is the second step, second rule. What we have to do, we have to underline the digit which is at the right of the circle digit, right? Now rule number 3, 0 to 4, the circle digit stays the same. Means if you have the underlined digit 0 to the rule, in rule number 3 we are talking about the underlined digit, right? The rounding off depends on the digit which is underlined, which is next to the circled number, right? So if the digit is 0 to 4, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so the circle digit stays the same. For suppose right now I have 8 here, right? What is the rule? First we have to read the rule. 0 to 4 the circle digit stays the same, but 5 to 9 adding 1 is the game. If the circle the underlined digit is greater than 5, like 6, 7, 8 and 9, so we will add 1 to the circle digit, right? We will add 1 to the circle digit. What is the game? That if the underlined digit is greater than 5 or greater than 5 is the underlined digit, is the digit which is next to the circle digit. If that digit is equals to 5 or greater than 5, so we will add 1 to the circle digit and that number will become 0, right? But if that digit is less than 5, like 0 to 4, so the number will stays the same and that number will become 0. Here is the rule. 0 to 4 the circle digit stays the same, as I told you here. If the number is underlined digit is 0 to 4, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so the circle digit stays the same. But 5 to 9, like 5, 6, 7, 8, so the adding 1 is the game, so we have to add 1 to the circle digit. Right now here we have 8 and 8 is greater than 5, so what we will do, we will add 1 to this number. So 5 plus 1, that is equals to 6, right? Now that was the rule number 3, and now come on the rule number 2. Digit to the right change to the 0. when you add 1 to the circle digit, so the digit which is underlined, which was underlined, that will become 0, like which we did here, right? When the underlined digit is greater than 5 or 5, if the underlined digit is 5 or greater than 5, and you are adding 1 to the circle digit, so that digit will become 0, right? And all the other numbers, they stay the same, like all the other numbers, they will stay the same. So these are the 5 rules of rounding off.